What's going on YouTube? It's Anthony from CompSci Studio and welcome back to your 10th Java Advanced tutorial. So in the last tutorial we just taught you how to create a file in your file directory from Java, and basically this was all the code that we needed. So I'm going to be using the same code in this tutorial to teach you guys how to write text or data or any type of data to a file. So if you guys don't have this, pause the video and copy this right now. In the meantime, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do to start printing text to a file is we need to create another object that is already predefined in the Java library. So right underneath our file object, let's create an object called print_stream. Now print_stream just allows us basically to print to any type of stream. In this case our stream is a file. So to do this we're just going to type capital P for print, capital S, stream, and I usually just call mine stream, is equal to new print stream. And now print stream takes one parameter in its constructor. Basically all it takes is the file that you want to print to. So in this case it's happy file. So in the parameters let's just go happy file, and we still got an error. That's because we actually need to add the import for print_stream. So it's in the java.io library just like the file one. So let's add that and our error should be gone. Now that we have that, we're actually allowed to start printing to our stream. So to do this, we're just going to go right underneath our if statement after we created the file, and we're just going to go stream dot, and then once you hit dot you're going to see a whole bunch of methods that are already predefined in this print_stream class. And so it's got a bunch of print methods that print objects, strings, booleans, pretty much any type of data type that you could think of. And this println, basically it's like our system.out.println. It adds a \n onto the end of the string, so when you print something else it goes to the next line in our text file. So in this case I'm just going to use a basic print statement, and we're just going to print out a string. So what should we print out? Let's print out hello, this is my first time printing to a file. And after you're done that, we could just basically this would work, but in order to free up memory at the end of our program you should always close the stream that you created. So since we created a stream, we should close it. So go stream dot close. So that's just a built-in method that the print_stream class gave us to free up our memory at the end of our program. So once this is done, let's clean this up a little bit. We could save it and run it, and my file already exists, and it's going to exist in my NetBeans project, YouTube tutorial project. And that's because we created a file happyfile.txt within that folder, and I taught you guys what the slash in front means, but we didn't use a slash or anything, so it's going to be located in our project folder. And as you can see there's 1 kilobyte of data, so that means that it actually did print. So let's edit with Notepad, and there we go. Hello, this is my first time printing to a file. So let's change the text up. And I'm going to show you guys one little kind of weird thing about print_stream. So if we print out my name is Anthony, period, and we run it, you'd probably think that my name is Anthony is going to be put right after the text that we already had. But if you look at it again, it actually deleted all the previous text and just put my name is Anthony now. In the next tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to append to a file, which means that you could just keep adding to the file without deleting it. And it's a little bit trickier, but I think you guys can catch on to it pretty quick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to message me or anything, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.